coming to like a professional show, that's how it is at my try-on hauls. If you think you're coming to like a profesh try-on haul, think again. We're a little bit crazy over here. Oh God. I'm gonna need some like coconut oil to get myself out of this. I'm scared to try this on. I don't want to get like makeup in it or anything. Oh, God. Okay. We got this. We got this. Oh. It does, Danielle. I agree. Okay. Whoa. I'm wearing a size small. I think that's my sweat. Oh, I guess I'm keeping this now. I think just because of my chest, I need a medium. By Jamie, but this is really cute. And I like these plain shirts because you could just pair them with anything. A pair of jeans. It really is, Carrie. It really is. These can just be paired with a pair of jeans, pair of jean shorts. I mean, this kind of looks cute too. Hey, boo. You can literally just pair these with anything. And good morning, Anne. How are you? And this shirt comes in a few different colors. A few different colors. I'm wearing a small. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tight. But I'm a 34D. So if you are smaller in the chest, go true to size. But if you are a little bit larger in the chest area, you might want to size up. And also I'm wearing like a bodysuit underneath, but you know. It's so cute. This outfit together, right? Yes, girl. Boobies, yeah, they're definitely squashed. Just a little bit. Not much. Just a little bit. But yeah, this is really cute. And again, it comes in a few different colors. I'm a small in the chest, big in the belly. I feel you. So, but this is really cute because it like bunches up right here. So I feel like it helps. I don't like anything. Okay, look the vest. Let's try it. Oh, you guys are really gonna make me sweat. It's like almost 90 degrees in Florida and I'm wearing long pants, tight as sin shirt, and now the puffer vest. Take me back to Virginia. All right, here is the puffer vest. Okay, this whole